Hello.
Hi.
Hey there.
Good morning.
Good afternoon.
Good evening.
How are you?
How's it going?
How have you been?
What's up?
What's new?
Nice to see you.
It's good to see you.
Long time no see.
How's everything?
How's life?
How's your day going?
How are things?
What's going on?
What's happening?
Good day to you.
How's your family?
How are you feeling today?
How's work going?
Anything new lately?
How have you been doing?
I'm happy to see you.
Hey, it's been a while.
Good to see you again.
Fancy meeting you here.
What have you been up to?
You look well.
How do you do?
I've missed you.
Hey friend.
How's everything on your end?
How's your morning going?
What's the good word?
How are you holding up?
How are you today?
Lovely to see you.
How's your week been?
What brings you here?
I'm so glad to see you.
Hey there, stranger.
What's shaking?
Great to catch up.
How's it been?
You doing okay?
What's the story?
How was your weekend?
You look great today.
Pleased to see you.
You are looking well.
How are you feeling?
It's been too long.
What's the latest?
Good to run into you.
How are things going?
Hope all is well.
How's your health?
What a pleasant surprise.
Wonderful to see you.
It's a beautiful day. Hi, how's your mood?